Hey, quick tip for more interesting chord progressions, part 2. Begin your chord progressions on chord 2 or chord 4. What do I mean by chords 2 and 4? Well, taking G major as our scale today, the notes are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and G. If we build chords or triads on each degree of the scale, what we get is G major, A minor, B minor, C major, D major, E minor, F sharp diminished, and G. The formula for chords as they naturally occur in a major scale is always major, minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished, and major again. So what I mean by beginning your chord progression on 2 or 4 is, in the context of G major, starting on A minor or C major. Here are some popular songs that begin their chord progression on 2. Wish You Were Gay by Billie Eilish. 2, 5, 1, 6. 2, 5, 1, 6. Better Now by Post Malone also begins on chord 2. This time we're in B flat major, so the chord progression begins on C minor. C minor, 2. F is 5. B flat is 1. E flat is 4. A traditional jazz standard that uses this same method is Autumn Leaves. 2, 5, 1, 4. There are many examples of chord progressions that begin on chord 4. All of the songs on screen now by Billie Eilish do this. I'll give an example of one of her most popular ones, Ocean Eyes. It goes. The song is in G major, but the chord progression begins on C, which is 4 in the context of G major. The chord progression is C, D, E minor, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, before resolving on 1, first inversion, 4, and then it repeats. Beginning on chord 4 is not a new concept. A popular jazz standard, for instance, is After You've Gone. The key is in G major, but it starts on chord C major 7, which is chord 4. One final and very interesting point about chord progressions beginning on 4 is when you apply the same principle to songs that resolve to the relative minor or chord 6 in a key. I'm going to explain by using Treasure by Bruno Mars as an example. The chord progression goes like this. That chord progression begins on A flat major, but the written key signature is E flat major. So in the context of E flat major, it begins on chord 4. However, the progression, as you might have heard, resolves to C minor, which is considered chord 6 in the context of E flat major. I would still categorize this as beginning on chord 4, although you're free to disagree in the comments. If we extend this principle out to other songs, you could include So that's it. I hope this helps you generate some new ideas. Please hit subscribe and like and share this if you found it interesting.